You've asked everything and I've revealed all the secrets, man. कितनी भी कोशिशें कर ली, वो कॉइन हम रोटेट करते थे तो वो कहीं रोटेट करके कहीं और चला जाता था. It was not at all happening.
The introduction scene of Woman as the greatest introduction scene to a protagonist in the history of cinema.
Wow.
Hi everyone, welcome to Amir Khan Talkies. आज एक बहुत ही शानदार कन्वर्सेशन हम करने वाले हैं. हमारे साथ हैं one of the most revered filmmakers of the country, Ashutosh Gwarekar sir. And today we'll be talking about Lagan. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi. Hello everyone.
सर मैं आज स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ, मैं शुरू से शुरुआत करना चाहता हूँ एंड आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द ओपनिंग सीक्वेंस ऑफ लगान या ओपनिंग टाइटल्स. तो मुझे आप बताइए लाइक हाउ डिड यू लैंड अप अपॉन इट, बिकॉज इन जनरल आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद ओपनिंग टाइटल्स एंड आपकी फिल्म में इतने डिफरेंट हैं. हाउ डिड यू लैंड अप अपॉन दैट?
For me, the equivalent was, how when we go to a museum, अब जब म्यूजियम में जाके अलग अलग आर्टिफैक्ट्स देखते हैं,
Right.
अलग अलग पेंटिंग्स देखते हैं, स्कल्पचर देखते हैं, so that gives you it takes you behind in time, it takes you to that era.
या
So I wanted that feeling at the start of the film. And that's why, I brought in all the different props, the turbans,
द स्टाफ.
fans,
Yeah.
the staff,
Yeah.
the scepter,
या
the sword. That helps the audience to, zone in. कि we are going to watch something which is of the past.
या
देश के हजारों गांवों की तरह चंपानेर के किसान भी दिन रात मेहनत करके अपना पेट काट के सालों साल राजा को लगान पहुंचाते रहे हैं.
So that became my most important tool to guide them in.
And I'm very fascinated by the coin we see in the start, and I keep discussing with my team, was it like CGI, was it real, was it a point when it becomes CGI from real? Can you tell me a little about it?
It's interesting that you asked this. This couldn't have been possible with a real coin, which we realized. बहुत कोशिशें की coin को लेके, कितना रोल करता है, क्या वो जहाँ हम चाहते हैं वहाँ लैंड करेगा, because I wanted it to land on the map. And map पे भी it has to land in the center. Plus it has to be heads.
Yeah.
Plus the two crucial names need to come on that. Jhamuji, Jhamu Sugandh Presents and Amir Khan Productions needs to come on the rotating coin. That was very important. Because once it lands, फिर वो dissolve होगा, map का जो एक धरती का effect आएगा, and then you see लगा. कितनी भी कोशिशें कर ली, वो कॉइन हम रोटेट करते थे तो वो कहीं रोटेट करके कहीं और चला जाता था. It was not at all happening. Hence we realized that we have to go the VFX way. And Pankaj Kanpur of Western Outdoor created the coin in the CG. And then it was simple in a way, but we definitely wanted to keep the sparkling quality of the coin to be intact.
Yeah.
The camera move had to be very, very smooth and precision. So we could arrive on all of that through VFX.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. And another thing which really makes the opening title special for me is the voiceover of Amitabh Bachchan sir.
Yes.
अंग्रेज राजा के प्रांत की पड़ोसी राजाओं के आक्रमण से हिफाजत करते थे और उन राजाओं को भी वो इस राजा के आक्रमण से बचाने का वादा करते.
And sir, like how did you get him on board for this?
The first time that we wanted to approach him, there was this myth which he told us about.
Okay.
He said to Amir that whenever I give a voiceover to any film, the film doesn't work. The film fails. And if you're willing to take that risk, then go ahead. I'll lend my voice.
Yeah.
But be aware, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि बाद में that, I did not inform you of this. Of course, Amir told him, no worries, that risk we want to take. उनको film दिखाई, he liked the film. Then it became slightly easier for him to, he understood what kind of film it was and what kind of narration style needed to be employed for a film like this.
जब आपने उनको फिल्म दिखाई तो वहाँ पे किसी का प्लेस होल्डर वॉइस ओवर था.
मेरा था.
हाँ.
So if I was saying in a particular way, it was placed at particular intervals. Because that's how the edit was done. I still cannot forget that moment when he said,
सन 1893 चंपानेर.
with his voice, I suddenly felt that the aspect of storytelling,
Yeah.
the aspect of here is the voice that is now going to take me into the movie became believable. And of course, he imparted everything till the last line in the film.
इस ऐतिहासिक जीत के बाद भी भुवन का नाम इतिहास के पन्नों में कहीं खो गया.
Just outstanding. Just outstanding.
Yeah, yeah. How important is the length of the opening title sequence? Like, is it something that you guys have to worry about a lot कि इतनी देर से ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं हो सकता?
No, I don't think so. Yeah, it is what it requires. Like in Lagan, if you see, the titles, they have a certain pace.
Right.
And the pace is saying, all you audience who have come with different paces in your mind, you'll have come in hurry, or you'll have come in, too relaxed.
Yeah.
Get into the pace of this film. So somewhere, you have to keep that in mind. And of course, titles usually are durations of 2 minutes to 3 minutes. उससे ऊपर होते नहीं हैं.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing more to say. That's the number of credits that you have. And that has gone lesser now over the years.
Yeah.
Because our tradition of now opening credits is only the producer, the director, and the main title of the film.
And you have that skip intro option on OTT platforms these days.
Yeah. Which I don't like so much.
Yeah. But you said कि आप अलग-अलग moods से आते हो and like it paces you in.
Yeah.
It is something one of my favorite filmmakers, Benedict Miller, says. He's like, through my film, I want to slow down your metabolism.
Okay.
And I liked it so much. And like आपके भी जैसे opening जब credits हैं वहाँ पे, the flag also, the slow motion also, relax.
Yes. The paintings.
The painting.
Even in the credits, you see the paintings. And the paintings also, you see a complete tilt down from the face right down to the bottom, where you're allowing the audience
Yeah.
to absorb what you're being shown.
Yeah.
Because, I always feel that audiences are very welcoming. They want the filmmaker to manipulate them.
Such a nice line.
When you say कि ये painting देखो and इसको इस तरह से देखो, they're willing to go with you. But each one has got, of course, a time ticking in their mind, in the audience. So it's about a great editing manipulation that you need to do of how you're going to narrate the story, at what pace.
So in a way, it can be said, if you can take care of them, audiences are willing to submit to the filmmaker.
Absolutely, yeah. But that's a very difficult thing to do.
Yeah.
It's a tough one.
Now, sir, I want to talk about the introduction scene of Bhuvan. सर हमारा जो चैनल है चलचित्र टॉक्स वहाँ पे हमने एक एपिसोड किया था विद सत्यांशु सिंह हु इज़ द को क्रिएटर ऑफ ब्लैक वॉरेंट ही कॉल्स इट द इंट्रोडक्शन सीन ऑफ वुमन एज द ग्रेटेस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन सीन टू अ प्रोटैगनिस्ट इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ सिनेमा.
Wow.
आप उस सीन में प्रोटैगनिस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हो, आप उसी सीन में एंटैगनिस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हो और उसी सीन में ये भी इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है कि इन दोनों के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है.
Well, you must be a very good runner.
ये सब आपने प्लान कैसे किया, लाइक व्हेन यू वर राइटिंग दिस, बिकॉज इट लैंड्स सो वेल.
I have very little time to position what Bhuvan's mindset is. He is a farmer, in that his main profession is carpentry. He's a carpenter. But there is something in him about how he's looking at society and the state of his country at that point in time. And he knows that the British Raj is not good.
मन कटता है मोरा जब हम राजा का लगान भरते हैं और वो फिरंगियों की गंदी हथेली पे धर देते हैं.
But he feels helpless. He can't do anything to stop it. He can't do anything to prevent it. Because the last rebellion that has happened 50 years ago, 1857.
राइट.
उसके बाद कोई आंदोलन नहीं हुआ है. और किसी ने भी आंदोलन करने की कोशिश भी की 1897 के बाद, उनको बुरी तरह से ख़त्म कर दिया गया. अब ऐसे माहौल में भुवन 1893 में चंपानेर में बैठा है और वो एक ही चीज़ कर रहा है कि ये जो अंग्रेज़ हुकूमत है और ये जो अंग्रेज़ ऑफिसर है बेजुबान जानवरों को मार रहा है उसकी खुद की खुशी के लिए. मैं जानता हूँ कि ये जानवर बनने वाला है, लेकिन मैं कितनी सांसें इस जानवर को और दे सकता हूँ बाय थ्वार्टिंग द अटेम्प्ट. सो ईच टाइम उसकी वो कोशिश होगी और मैं कोशिश से उस हिरन को बचाऊंगा. ईच टाइम ही मिसेस.
Bloody hell, missed again. Ramsey, quick, before it disappears. Udase.
वो उनको इस बात की खुशी है कि मैं इस बार जीत गया, हिरन बच गया. आखिर में हिरन नहीं बच पाता है, लेकिन वो जो उसकी खुशी है तो उससे उसका कैरेक्टर एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हमको इस एक सीन में मिल जाता है. एट द सेम टाइम ये किसके सामने खड़ा हो रहा है, वो जो अपना एंटागनिस्ट है.
राइट.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स रसल कितना बेरहम है, बिकॉज ही जस्ट टू स्पाइट हिम ही किल्स अ लिटिल रैबिट दैट इज बिहाइंड. ही सेड देयर तो मैंने मार दिया, इसको बचा के देखा.
Well, try saving this one.
So you immediately know, oh my God, these two guys are now going to stand against each other. And I want to know how. If you don't have this scene, Russell can never put the condition, put the wager. He cannot say that. He says that because तुम वही हो ना जो जंगल में, you're constantly trying to save that deer. You think you're smart. You want the tax to be cancelled. Right. Beat us in a game of cricket.
You beat us in this game, and I'll cancel your tax.
If the deer hunting scene is not there, this scene cannot happen. Because you don't know Captain Russell's eccentric quality that he has. You don't know that. You don't know how Bhuvan is going to say.
शरत मंजूर है.
But because of the deer scene, we know how they're going to react in this scene. तो वो scene वैसा crack होना बहुत जरूरी था. And
या आई थिंक भुवन पहली बार स्क्रीन पे 12 मिनट बाद आते हैं.
हाँ.
आपको वो श्योरिटी का साथ ही नहीं डिलीट रखो, स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे, पहले वर्ल्ड एस्टैब्लिश कराओ. नहीं,
भुवन भुवन
and then Bhuvan will come in. Where does the patience come from and the confidence that no, this will work?
एक है जो क्रिएटिव डिसीजन है और दूसरा है ऑडियंस एंटिसिपेशन. क्रिएटिव डिसीजन ये है कि हम जब चंपानेर को देखते हैं, किस तरह का गांव है, किस तरह के लोग हैं, कैसे अलग अलग व्यवसाय हैं लोगों के और सब अपना अपना काम कर रहे हैं. लेकिन इसमें जब हम हीरोइन को पहले देखते हैं, हम गौरी को देखते हैं, तो गौरी भुवन के बारे में बात कर रही है.
Yes.
बोलना, हमका हमरे मन का राजकुमार मिलेगा?
काहे नहीं?
उसके बाद हर कोई भुवन के बारे में बात कर रहा है कि भुवन कहाँ है, भुवन कहाँ है.
भुवन को कहीं देखा तुमने?
नहीं. तूने देखा रे पूरा?
नहीं. भुवन देखा कहीं?
दिखा तो नहीं, मगर जाना तू कहाँ पे होगा.
तुम्हें पता है कि अच्छा सब भुवन को ढूंढ रहे हैं. ऑब्वियसली अ सिनेमा ऑडियंस always knows that when you're talking about such a character, it has to be the hero. To top that, you have Amir.
Yeah.
So the audience anticipation is Amir kab aayega,
Right.
and they're willing to wait.
Yeah.
So in a film like this, both the things get combined together for me to narrate the story, to prepare them ki everyone, Bhuvan is a very popular guy.
Yeah.
And where is Bhuvan? Amir Khan in this kind of a get-up, because first time we see him in the film, uski bandi hai, kis tarah se uske arms hai, kis tarah se uske baal hai, all of that. So there is an advantage there of audience anticipation.
And so, do you have any 101s for making opening title sequences?
No. I think it's just capturing the essence of your script.
Right.
Let the audience know before your storytelling begins what to expect. If I give you an example of Swades, the title of Swades comes in all languages, because I don't want to relegate it to Hindi and English only. Because when you sing We the People and you sing Swades, it needs to be seen in all languages. It's like a rupee, a currency where you have rupiah written in all the languages. It feels inclusive. It gives the audience a feeling that, I'm being included in this.
Right.
So every film has it. You have to find that core and try and see if you can represent that core of the film in your opening titles.
मितवा सुन मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे, ये धरती अपनी है अपना